Okay, these are the train horns I've been working on. The PVC train horns. This is my first set. They have the aluminum diaphragm in it. I was using the plastic plumber's knockout plug. They work pretty good at first, but after just a few blasts or so they end up breaking. And Dozer Boy Miller thought it was because of the cold, because of where he lives, and I live in Southern California, and I don't believe it has anything to do with the cold. They get weak really fast. So these ones have the aluminum diaphragms in it now. I got them sounding pretty good. Having a hard time really getting them tuned in exactly where they need to be, but you know, I'm still in the process of working on them. Got them all hooked up, so I'll give you a few blasts here so you can see what they sound like. Plug that in. So that is them. They sound pretty good. I don't know how good it'll be on video, but this is my first set. A lot of fun to build.